Bridge mode or bypass mode disables the routing capabilities of your Spectrum modem, allowing your Netgear router to handle all network management tasks like DHCP, NAT, and Wi-Fi. In a normal setup, both the modem and router perform routing, causing double NAT, which can slow speeds and complicate port forwarding. In bridge mode, the modem bypasses routing, letting the Netgear router handle everything, eliminating double NAT and improving performance for gaming and streaming. This eliminates double NAT, which can cause slower speeds and port forwarding issues, improving overall network performance, especially for gaming and streaming. Using bridge mode gives you greater control over your network, enabling you to use advanced features of your Netgear router, such as mesh networking, parental controls, and AI-enhanced cybersecurity suites like Netgear Armor. As of 2025, Spectrum modems like the E31T2V1 and E31N2V1 explicitly support bridge mode, streamlining the setup process. By 2025, a significant portion of broadband households are using third-party routers in bridge mode due to dissatisfaction with ISP-provided gateways and restrictive policies. Ensure you have a compatible Spectrum modem and a Netgear router with a WAN port before proceeding. Start by connecting your Spectrum modem's LAN port to your Netgear router's WAN port using an Ethernet cable. Make sure both devices are powered on and ready. Next, access your Spectrum modem's admin interface by opening a browser and going to 192.168.d.1. Log in using the credentials provided by Spectrum, which are usually printed on the modem label. In the modem interface, navigate to the Settings section, often labeled as Advanced or Network. Find and enable Bridge mode or Pass-through mode. Save your changes in the modem interface and reboot the modem to activate Bridge mode. Now, connect a device to your Netgear router and access its interface by going to routerlogin.net in your browser. In the Netgear router interface, configure the Internet settings to use DHCP, as this is what Spectrum typically uses for connection. Test your internet connectivity to ensure it's working. Also, check for and install any available firmware updates for your Netgear router. Finally, verify your internet speed using a tool like speedtest.net to ensure it matches your Spectrum plan. If the modem's Wi-Fi doesn't automatically turn off in bridge mode, disable it manually. Since bridge mode exposes your router directly to the internet, ensure WPA3 encryption is enabled and keep your router's firmware up to date to maintain security.